Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the replacement lock fits the door measurements and backset. This prevents last-minute adjustments. Remove the interior cover and unscrew the handle or knob, keeping screws organized so they return to the same holes. Once done, pull the spindle and exterior assembly through the door. If it's an electronic unit, make sure batteries are removed before you proceed to avoid shorting the circuit while you work. You now remove the old cylinder and latch assembly. Take note of cam orientation because the new cylinder must match that rotation for smooth operation. Insert the new lock machine, align the cam with the latch bolt, and seat the assembly so the spindle engages firmly. This ensures the handle will turn the bolt. Make sure the latch faceplate is flush with the door edge before you tighten screws because misalignment causes binding or misfiring. You finish by tightening screws evenly so the mechanism sits square. Avoid over-torquing, which can deform parts. Reinstall trim, reconnect electronics or batteries, and cycle the lock 10 times to confirm smooth action and proper strike engagement. This verifies the lock won't jam under load. If you encounter binding or the bolt won't fully extend, loosen mounting screws, realign the cam and strike plate, then retorque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.